Hello, happy crafters. How are you guys doing? First of all, I wanted to thank you so much for stopping by this video. I do greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you enjoyed this video and others like it, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. So you guys, we are back for another round of the Grand ATC Exchange. For this month of March, the theme is going to be spring. I am super excited. I've changed a little bit of the dimensions for the ATCs, you guys, for this upcoming month of March. I am doing this video February 23rd, so it'll be up either between now and a couple of days from now. But I wanted to allow you guys some time to sign up. By now, all of our other participants are well on their ways to finishing up their ATCs and mailing them out to the recipients really soon. I'm super excited to see what everybody has created. I did get a few sneak peeks, and I am like in love, you guys, with the stuff that I've been seeing so far. Oh my goodness. So if this is new to you, if you've never done this before, if you didn't see February's sign up month, let me just kind of go over a little bit of what this is about. So this is the Grand ATC Exchange. Every month I'm going to be coming out and creating, giving you guys a new theme and new dimensions, or same dimensions, but definitely new theme. And we're going to be doing different things, from artist trading cards to other crafts that fit in the dimensions of our given pocket, okay? I do have a video tutorial on how I created these. These are some samples of ones that I've created in the past. And these are to store your ATCs in kind of like a Rolodex system, if you will. So we're going to be placing these in like little boxes, or however you want to store them is completely up to you. But for me, I wanted to put them like in a little box and kind of get like that Rolodex feel where I can kind of thumb through them and just pull them out for inspiration and just to ooh and ah over people's creations. And so moving right along, you guys, for this month, we still have the same measurements. So every month, the measurements is always going to be the same. The base is always going to be the same. The only thing that's going to change is how you decorate them and maybe the size of the windows. So for this month, the size of the ATC has changed from the standard size to the new size, which is going to be 2.5 by 4.5. Okay, you guys? So we're going to be left with an ATC that is roughly about this size. Okay, now you can definitely create your creations in landscape form, or you can do them in portrait. It's completely up to you, but they're going to be housed in here kind of like this, so that you can go ahead and pull them out, and then you can go ahead and put them back in, right? And they'll always be protected in a really pretty packaging. So for this month is going to be spring, you guys. And I'm super excited. Again, I'm going to do a tutorial for how I make this specific design. I do have a tutorial for the standard ATCs, but this one's a little bit different in shape, in size. So I'm going to do a tutorial for this one just to kind of give you guys a rough idea of how you can go ahead and compose your pockets, your double window pockets, okay? Now, every month is going to be a little different. Sometimes we're only going to have one window. Sometimes we're going to have two. Sometimes the shapes of the windows are going to change along with the ATCs. So it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a little bit of a variation every single month, you guys. So I'm super excited to get this going and super excited to see what you all create. So you do have to sign up for this. This is a sign up. So please comment down below if you will be interested in participating in this exchange for the month of March. The ATCs, or the packages, are due to be shipped out within the last couple of days of the month to be received by the recipient no later than the 4th of April, or within the first 3 or 4 days of that follow-up month. Okay, you guys, this is to allow people time to create and also time to ship it out without having to be too stressed, because I know we have incomes coming from different sources at different time periods, so I don't want anybody to feel stressed out about what they have to do and how they have to do it. So this is going to be super simple, you guys, and a lot of fun. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I've had a blast so far creating for the two people that I am swapping with for the month of February. I do encourage you to participate. This is open to all types of crafters. You don't have to be specific to mixed media or paper crafting. Your style is more than enough. I would love for you guys to just feel free in creating for you, basically, and that's kind of like how I've been putting it. I want you guys to create for you, with the bonus of sharing your artwork with somebody else. So that's basically the premise for this. I want you guys to have fun and not feel stressed out about what the other person likes or what their favorite colors are, or what, you know, what you have to make for them. I want you to make it for you as if you want to receive it for you. So this is for you, and then you'll ship that out to them. So hopefully that makes sense. So I do pick out the partners. I announce the partners 1 week into the month. So I'm going to be announcing the partners no later than the 10th of March, but I do want to try to do it by the 7th, to be honest with you. The partners are going to be announced on my community page. I will leave a link to my community page in the description area because I know some people couldn't find it last month. So just make sure that you just check out the description area. That's going to have the links to everything, the tutorials on how you can get your base started, and all of that stuff. If you need inspiration for ATCs, I have a few videos, but there's a whole plethora of ATC videos here on YouTube. And again, we're going to be doing all different types of themes, all different types of styles. All the styles are going to be set in advance, so you guys will know what the theme is and what the style is for that month. And I'm super excited, you guys. I cannot wait. So please make sure that you comment down below that you are interested in participating in this month's ATC Exchange. I will list all the partners on my community tab. Please make sure that when you send out your packaging, that you send out your packages, that you send tracking to the person that's going to be receiving it. That is super, super, super important. That as soon as you guys get that tracking, you take a picture of it and you send it to them, or you send them the tracking so that they know what to expect and so that they can schedule, you know, what they need to schedule when it comes to sharing what they're receiving from you guys. So I think I've covered it all. I do want to have the ability to have this open to internationals, but that all depends on the people that sign up, because I would like to, you know, connect internationals with internationals. Now, if you are from the US and you are able to swap with somebody who's international, then please let me know that you're open to swap with somebody who's international. And if I do get those people, then I'll make sure that I pair you up with one of them. Okay. And let's see. I think I've covered it. I think I've covered mostly what I wanted to say. I think you guys. Let me just go over my notes real quick and just make sure. Oh yes, before I forget, you guys, I want you to continue the safety protocols and just make sure that when you create your packaging that you Ziploc it, and that it arrives to the person in a nice little Ziploc bag so that they can take sanitary precautions in cleaning it, wiping it down, whatever the case may be, or airing it out if they need to, so on and so forth. You know, just to assist along the way, right? Putting our little 2 cents in there. So let's see, let me just get my notes real quick. So we have the theme, it's spring. The sign up is going to be open for roughly 1 week. Okay. If you do not make videos, but you do, you are somebody who constantly shares on social media. So if you're always putting your projects on Instagram or Facebook, please feel free to join. You do not have to make videos to be a part of this ATC exchange. We just would like for you to share what you receive somehow, some way, just to promote the person that's creating these things for you. Not everybody that is in here does videos, you guys, so please understand. Also, I want to make sure that I touch base on things to do with goodies or receiving extras or anything of that nature. This is really not that kind of a swap, okay, you guys? So I don't want you to expect, oh, I'm going to get an ATC and maybe 5 packs of stickers or whatever the case may be. Like, that's not necessarily something that is going to happen. I do know that there are people who are giving people like that, but we're in a different time and space right now in life, and not everybody has the ability to do that. So please, I don't want you to feel offended. I'm not trying to offend anybody, but I do want to make sure that you are aware that this is not a requirement. So if you're signing up to this because you're expecting to get other things, then this might not be the swap for you, and that's okay. There are plenty of other swaps that do a whole bunch of different things like that, so that's fine. For this swap, like I said, if you do receive something from somebody because they want to do it, please do not expect extra stuff other than what is said here, okay? You are not breaking the rules if you do want to send something extra to a person, so I don't want you to feel like, oh my God, I can't do it. If you do it, just know that there's a chance that you're not going to get, that's not going to be reciprocated, okay? People, different incomes, different levels of life, different situations going on. So again, that's not something that is expected. In the future, if that's something that we do want to include in there, then, you know, we'll talk about that later on. But for right now, that's not really my focus. My focus is the crafting. My focus is the art. My focus is sharing that with others. and receiving that from others. Like, I love to see what you guys create. I love to see how you guys create it. So also, I want to touch base. If you do want to do like project shares or video shares, please save those project shares and video shares of your creations until after the person has received their package from you. Okay. Now that would be awesome. If you guys want to share how you go about creating your stuff, I would love to see that as well. I'm sure that many other people will love to see it as well. So I don't want to discourage that. I actually want to encourage you guys to share not just the things that you receive, but also share your process and how you go about creating your things, because that's how everybody learns, right? That's the gift that keeps on giving. So I do want to encourage that. I just want to make sure that you guys don't do it prematurely. So please allow the person to receive their package and confirm with you, like, yeah, I've got it. You know, and then you can ask them like, okay, are you planning to do some kind of a video share or not? Again, this is not something that's obligatory. If you have a partner that does not do videos, or if you're somebody that does not make videos, then you can go ahead and just also let me know that in the comment section as well, because maybe I can pair you guys up with people that don't really do videos that much, or they just want to do more like a quieter type of swap where, you know, you don't have to do videos, so on and so forth. That's fine with me as well. As long as it's fine with you guys, that's fine with me. I personally, I'm going to be sharing, you know, not just the creative journey of making the things, but also the things that I receive, because I think it's just amazing to be able to share that. So I'm super excited about that. So I think that's basically it. You know, just make sure that everything is sanitary, that your packages are in plastic bags, you know, in Ziploc bags. Again, do not expect anything extra other than what is requested. It is completely up to you and what your means are. If you feel like doing that, you know, that's completely up to you. And yeah, let's keep this fun. Let's keep this simple, you guys. If you notice that there's somebody on the list that you do not want to swap with, or you do not want to be paired up with, you can very discreetly let me know, like, listen, you know, I just don't want to swap with this person. I don't need to know the ifs, ands, or why of what's going on, whatever. That's not my business. Just let me know that you don't want to swap with X, Y, and Z, and then I'll make sure not to pair you up with that person and pair that person up with other people. The goal is to get a nice you know, a nice flow going. So please make sure that you share this video. That would be super awesome. If you have a Facebook, if you would just share it on your Facebook and say, hey, you guys, anybody interested in like swapping ATCs? You know, this is a monthly thing. You know, go check out this channel. That would be so helpful and so greatly appreciated. And yeah, you guys, I want to make this awesome. I want to make this amazing for you. I want to make this amazing for me. So let's get this show on the road. So again, I'll leave all of this information that I kind of rush through, because this is like my 4th video. I'll leave all of the details in clear, bold print in the description area, so you guys can kind of see all the different things. Okay, I want you to have creative freedom. I want you to create for you. The comments, please do not include you know, your favorite stuff, your favorite colors, none of that, because we're gonna do that at a later time. There's gonna be a time for that. Okay, when that information is gonna be required, because it's gonna be a part of the theme or the challenge or whatever the case may be. For right now, I just want us to get into you know, kind of ease our way into this. We are doing February now. February is about to go out. I'm pretty sure that everybody's just about ready. I've gotten some confirmations that people are ready to send stuff out. So we're doing good so far. I'm really excited for next month. And this is going to be evolving, you guys. So I would really love for you guys to be a part of this from, you know, the beginning. So hopefully you guys will join. And if you have any questions, let me know. You can hit me up on all of my social medias, or email me, or comment down below, or hit me on the community. Just let me know somehow, some way, and I will do my best to answer your questions. All right, loves? So I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you all so much for participating in this. Thank you to everybody that participated in February. You guys are amazing. And I want to thank you all for taking the leap of faith once again and joining your girl in an awesome exchange, of what I hope is going to become the grand exchange of all exchanges. So thank you all so much, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.